Are you tired of searching endlessly for Roblox scripts that either don't work or are limited to specific games? Today, I'll guide you through adding one of the best universal scripts to your Roblox Executor, which is compatible with every game and elevates your gaming experience. The process is seamless and guarantees flawless performance. Let's start. Ensure you have a reliable Roblox executor installed on your mobile device. Executors like Delta Executor or Apple War are excellent choices for their dependable functionality. If you haven't installed one yet, be sure to follow the step-by-step guide from trusted sources. Once ready, download the script from the link provided in the description. After downloading, copy the script, then open the executor, click Upload, name the file, paste the script, and save it. It's that straightforward. Now, load up your favorite Roblox game, execute the script, and enjoy the enhanced gameplay it offers. If you find this guide useful, remember to like the content, subscribe for more tips, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. For any questions, drop a comment, and I'll be happy to assist. Happy gaming, and see you next time.